It's no secret that technology can streamline the way your company operates and save you a ton of money. That's a big win for you and for the customers you serve. We'll show you 3 new technologies that can help your business grow coming up next. The right technology can give your business a powerful strategic advantage over your competition, enhancing your bottom line as it makes your company more efficient and productive. Here are 3 technologies that can do amazing things for your company. Let's take a closer look. Number 1, VoIP. We know it's not entirely new, but VoIP can bring big benefits. Business phone lines are expensive, and switching to a VoIP system could save you a lot of money, adding to your bottom line. In the early days of VoIP, the call quality wasn't great, but as internet speeds have increased, those issues are a distant memory. Newer VoIP systems with unified communications make all your text messages, CRM, and phone systems work together, making the move to VoIP a real winner. Number 2, 5G networks. In the business world, the faster your connections are, the more you'll be able to get done. Business owners were quick to make the switch to 4G networks due to the speed increases 4G promised. 5G offers even more impressive speed increases. While 4G networks have an average speed of 20 megabits per second, 5G networks tout speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second. If your company employs smart technology or networks of any kind, the new 5G networks can be a huge improvement for your business. Number 3, augmented reality. If there's one technology that truly stands to transform the way business gets done, it's augmented reality. Now, while virtual reality is an entirely computer-generated world, AR combines computer-generated information and items with the physical world, where customers and employees can interact with them. A good example of augmented reality is a car windshield that overlays GPS data over the road in front of you. Used as a marketing tool, you can create unique, highly personalized shopping experiences for your customers. Used in the back office, your team can reduce prototyping time and cost by working with virtual representations of products, or as a training tool to facilitate guided remote repairs. Simply put, these new technologies can make your business more efficient and profitable. If you would like to find ways to use technologies like these to take your business to the next level, give our team a call.